Summer is here and it's getting hot. But is your air conditioner ready to keep you cool and comfortable? A little maintenance now can save you from unexpected breakdown and high electricity bills. I will share a simple AC maintenance checklist to help your AC run smoothly all summers. So let's get started. First, turn off the power supply of the unit. The first step is to inspect and clean the outdoor unit. Clear the surroundings of the outdoor unit. Clear space allows the AC to function efficiently. Dirt, leaves and debris may have accumulated around it over the winters, which can block the airflow and reduces the efficiency. Use a soft brush or a vacuum to clean the fins of the condenser coil, or we can also use water to clean the fins and the surrounding areas. And also check the refrigerant pipe insulation. Next, check the air filters. Dirty filters can restrict the airflow, making the AC run harder and increases the energy bills. Remove the filters from the indoor unit and clean them with water or a vacuum cleaner. Check the air filter twice a month and clean them as needed. Now let's examine the evaporator coils. These coils absorb heat from the room and get dirty over the time. Open the front panel and gently clean the coils with a brush and water. Use the brush in the vertical direction only, or use coil cleaner to clean the evaporator coils. Next, clean the blower wheel. Using a soft brush or microfiber cloth, clean the blower wheel gently. The remote control is crucial for the operation of the air conditioner, so ensuring it works properly is important. Check the batteries. If necessary, replace the old batteries. Then set the current time for the timer function and set it to the cool mode. Air leakage can waste the cool air and reduces the AC efficiency. Check windows, doors and other openings for leaks and seal them properly. Sealing these gaps ensure that cool air flow efficiently throughout the room. Don't wait the first heat wave to test your air conditioner. Turn it now to ensure it's working properly. Listen for strange noises. Check the AC's airflow and adjust the airflow from the remote control to ensure it's working fine. Then make sure the AC air is cold. Set it to the lowest temperature and check that AC is cooling the room properly. While inspecting the all point, if you encounter any problem at any step, then it's a good idea to schedule a professional maintenance check. A technician can spot issue you might miss and keep your AC running at peak performance. And that is the ultimate AC maintenance checklist for summers. Follow these steps to enjoy cool and comfortable air. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Until next time, stay cool and take care.